I chose Galveston College because it's close to home. It's very hands-on.
As a student in the Galveston College Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning, and Refrigeration Technology program, gain the knowledge for a successful career as an HVAC technician, installing and repairing commercial and residential systems.
You're actually getting your hands dirty and actually doing the work.
HVAC techs are in high demand. Enroll today and get a degree in as little as 5 months. Financial aid is available for those who qualify.
Yeah, the Galveston College HVAC program, I've learned a lot already that I can use in the field. The boss was actually very, very impressed with how much I already knew.
For information, visit gc.edu. Galveston College, real life, real experiences, real success.